Get our wheel as well. Bit more cleaning and thorough cleaning. Looks much better in there. Much better. I gave it a good spraying with disinfectant, and I hit it again with some of this disinfectant in this window cleaner bottle. It's got most of all the crap off now. It's good, it's all nice and clean. No more shitty smells, all nice and clean. I tilted the switch like that for extra safety, so it's actually a hell of a lot better than the original one, that's for sure. I bent this up slightly, so it's not rubbing on the bottom of that shroud. That'll cause a rust hole. We don't want that. I don't want it to rub through either. Bit of silicone spray got on there. I sprayed this fan bearings with silicone spray to get any water out of there. Yeah, cleaned that quite well. Wash the other halves here. Alright, let's plug it in and give it a test again. Let it see how cool it gets. Get me clamp meter out and see how much current this thing can consume. Won't be much. The main wire there, so I'll get my clamp meter around that. See how much it pulls. I'm guessing probably about an amp or so. One more little safety improvement I did was put an earth wire from the switch to the body, because I could not find anything that connects the casing directly to the to earth. It relies on the compressor, not a circuit, and a body of the compressor to earth, and the fan body to earth through the bolts to the case. That kind of isn't good enough. I see a lot of fridges and other white goods and other appliances have an extra strap connecting the main earth point to ground, to the chassis. So that should improve things a bit. Don't know why I never had this in the first place, but now it's all good. Just an extra safety precaution in case something takes a shit, so. Working quite well. Cleaned that very well. The obviously what's outside here is obviously separate from there, so in there is going to be all clean. That was always clean, so it wasn't getting crap all over it. It just got a bit messy because no one ever actually cleaned it with a soapy brush and soap, so other than that it's pretty well good to go, ready to use. Anyway, I'll let it run for a bit, let it get nice and cold, then we'll whack these covers back in it. Now that's it, she's all fixed and disinfected. Now let's get the clamp meter out here. There we go. Non-ideal spot. Half an amp. Yeah, so the non-ideal part of the coil there. You get the idea. Only pulling half an amp, it's pretty efficient. See what the motor's pulling, if I can get the clamp around that. No room, can't fit it in there. But yeah, half an amp to an amp, which is pretty efficient little machine. Things are starting to creak with temperature. That's how that unit was. That was like that as it is. That wasn't glued, that was just sitting there free floating. So that part there is pretty bloody cheap and nasty. Anyway. Wheels all back together. Nice and clean, look at that. This thing's like a brand new cooler now. Working quite well. That's pretty cold. The wire's obviously expanding a little bit, going back out there. This thing's pretty much in good nick, all good to go. Anyway, here you can see the BAZ moving its label slowly. Also made myself another little air cannon here. Ran out of CO2 in my soda stream tank, so I screwed the valve off. I pressurised it to about 100 psi to hold that for about a day, 24 hours straight. So either this is leaking in here, when we gauge or we hear somewhere's leaking, but either way it's going to make a nice little air cannon. It's the same sort of tank that Aussie 50 has for his little air cannon there. Same as better same as those little BAC sampling cylinders he's got. So it's going to be a fun, portable little, discreet little air cannon when that's finished. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.